Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this blue glam makeup look today. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and let's go ahead and start this video without wasting any more time. First of all, I'm gonna be using Bioderma Atoderm Cream Moisturizer to moisturize my skin. So primer today I'm going to use this. It's a Rainy Bollywood Filter Primer. Whenever you're using silicone based primer like this one, you have to kind of pressing in your skin little bit. Next I am going to use a concealer, and I'll be using this one. This is my Glam concealer shade Honey. Next I am going to use Swiss Beauty Loose Powder shade Banana. For today's look I decided to use the Swiss Beauty palette. It has a beautiful shade, but it also has some eyeshadow, and I thought to have something more cool toned, something more warm toned. It's a nice mixture of more natural shade. Next I am going to use Popakzo eyeshadow palette. Next up we have the eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Mama Earth black eyeliner. Next for a foundation today I'll be using my Glam Serum Full Coverage Foundation shade 220 and Forever 52 foundation shade Honey. And I'll using brush to apply a foundation. Always you actually don't need to use a lot of this foundation. It just gives the really good coverage guys. So just one pump is more than enough to cover your entire face. Next I am going to use a concealer and I'll be using this one. This is Swiss Beauty concealer and my Glam concealer shade medium 220.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not.
Alright, moving on to blush. I'll be using Korean lip and cheek tint blush shade pink. I'm going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it one at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well.
Think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold.
I am using Sugar Cosmetic bronzer palette and I am lightly contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here.
To like sail away, I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not.
Now just to set the base first, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
Right there on top of the moon.
Next for eyebrows, I'll be using Forever 15 Brow Pencil shade brown.
We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that
Now next to highlighter my face, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter.
can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
Next I am going to use PAC Makeup Fixer. Next for a lip liner, I am going to use a Swiss Beauty lip liner shade dark brown.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a
Now next for a lip, I'll be using NY by Lipstick.
can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and so my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said,
Lastly, I am going to use a Lakme mascara.
can you even let me
You guys enjoyed watching. Hope you like how this would come out. Or go and follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook, Twitter. All the links will be down in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit the red subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell button which is right next to it, because that way you'll get notification every time I posted a video. And yeah, like, comment, share my video. Love you all. Bye bye.